Hi. Today's class is on tricks to remember 20 amino acids. So based on polarity or tendency to interact with water at biological pH, amino acids are divided into two types: non-polar amino acids and polar amino acids. Non-polar amino acids are those amino acids those are unable to dissolve in water, also known as water hating amino acids or hydrophobic amino acids. And polar amino acids are those amino acids those are able to dissolve in water, also known as water loving amino acid or hydrophilic amino acid. Coming to non-polar amino acid, it is again of two types: aliphatic amino acid and aromatic amino acid. Polar amino acids again each of three types: uncharged amino acids, positively charged amino acids and negatively charged amino acids. Aliphatic amino acids, these amino acids have aliphatic side chain, and aromatic amino acids, they have aromatic side chain. Uncharged amino acids, these amino acids have equal number of positive and negative charge at biological pH, and positively charged amino acids, these amino acids have positive charge at biological pH. And coming to negatively charged amino acids, these amino acids have negative charge at biological pH. So the examples of aliphatic amino acids are G for glycine, A for alanine, P for proline, V for valine, L for leucine, I for isoleucine, M for methionine. Total 7 amino acids comes under aliphatic amino acids. Under aromatic amino acids, F for phenylalanine, Y for tyrosine, W for tryptophan. Total 3 number of amino acids. Coming to uncharged amino acid, S for serine, T for threonine, C for cysteine, N for asparagine and Q for glutamine. Total 5 number of amino acids. Coming to positively charged amino acids, K for lysine, R for arginine and H for histidine. Total 3 number of amino acids. Coming to negatively charged amino acid, D for aspartate and E for glutamate. Total 2 number of amino acids. So to remember all these 20 amino acids according to their respective classes, I have made a story. So the story is, अलीफा इज ए बॉय. अलीफा गली में वॉलीबॉल प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. एट दैट टाइम ही सॉ व्हाइट फ्लावर से येलो एरोमा कमिंग आउट. ही वेंट नियर टू द फ्लावर प्लांट एंड सॉ ए कैट इज सिटिंग अंडर ए ट्री एंड लुकिंग एट द सन एंड थिंकिंग to become queen of uncharged country. There is a dog also under the tree eating negative grass. Alipha got confused. He ran to Kailash hill and sat on a positive ice looking at the sky. So here in this story, Alipha represents aliphatic amino acids and the examples are G for glycine, A for alanine, L for leucine, I for isoleucine, M for methionine, V for valine and P for proline. Okay. Now here aroma represents aromatic amino acids and the examples are W for tryptophan, F for phenylalanine and Y for tyrosine. Coming to uncharged here, uncharged amino acids. So the examples are C for cysteine, T for threonine, S for serine, N for asparagine and Q for glutamine. Coming to here negative for negatively charged amino acids. Examples are D for aspartate and E for glutamate. Positively charged amino acids. So here examples are R for arginine, K for lysine and H for histidine. So like this, based on story, it's easy to remember all 20 amino acids. Here also same from the story I have taken all the single letter and abbreviate the letter. G for glycine, P for proline, like this. There is 20 amino acids. So like this I have make a story, and it's easy to remember all 20 amino acids on their respective groups. Thank you.